In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about UML activity diagrams. We'll break down the technical details and then show you how to build your own in Lucidchart. First, let's start with the basics. What is a UML activity diagram? A UML activity diagram is a behavioral diagram that shows the flow of control within a system, focusing on the sequence of activities and the actors involved. Activity diagram versus flowchart. Key technical differences. Unlike standard flowcharts, activity diagrams use standardized UML notation to explicitly support parallel processing and multi-threaded workflows within a single system. When should I use activity diagrams? You should use them to model dynamic aspects of a system, such as detailing business processes or complex software algorithms with multiple decision points. To build an effective diagram, you need to understand the language. What are the basic symbols used in UML activity diagrams? What are the basic symbols used in UML activity diagrams? They include the start node, action states shown as rounded rectangles, transitions represented by arrows, and the final activity node. Forks, joins, and merge nodes. Use forks to split flows into parallel activities, joins to synchronize those flows, and merge nodes to combine multiple incoming paths. How should I use swimlanes in activity diagrams? Use them to group activities by actor or department, clarifying exactly who is responsible for each action within the process. Before we start building, let's look at how to keep your diagrams clean. Common mistakes to avoid with UML activity diagrams. Common mistakes to avoid with UML activity diagrams. Ensure you always include start and end nodes. Avoid dangling transitions, and maintain a consistent level of detail across the entire diagram. Ready to practice? Step-by-step tutorial. How to draw an activity diagram. Follow along as we build a process flow from scratch. First, enable the UML shape library in Lucidchart. Drag out a start node to define the beginning of your process. Add your first action state and label it clearly in sentence case. Next, add a decision diamond to show branching logic. Use arrows to connect the diamond to different outcomes. Then, use a fork to show activities happening at the same time. You can use Lucid to visualize complex logic in real time. Share your diagram with your team to collaborate on the system architecture and ensure everyone is aligned. Now you're ready to master UML activity diagrams. Sign up for a free account at lucidchart.com and start building your first diagram today.